Time to do the hang challenge. Unfortunately, I do have a makeshift setup with this barbell and a squat rack, and this is as high as it goes, but we'll give it a try. 1, 2. And I am not keeping time. I don't have a timer, so we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna throw a timer on this video, obviously, but let's see how long I can hang on. I think they said 100 seconds is really good. And I actually tried to do this challenge at the state fair, I think 2 years ago, but the bar, it swiveled, and the bar also was super fat. And I think I only lasted, I don't know, 40 seconds. So hopefully the bar technically still swivels because it's a barbell on top of a squat rack, but it's definitely not as bad as the time that I did it at the state fair. So hopefully I can get at least 60 seconds. That's what I'm aiming for, but we'll see. And my forearms are burning so bad right now. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking because this is getting hard. Woo! I don't even know why I looked at my watch. Because I don't have a timer. Just rewatched that clip back, and I think I was at 95, 96 seconds. Super close to 100 seconds. And this is my very first attempt. Maybe if I didn't talk throughout the whole thing, maybe I would have gotten 100 seconds. But we will try again in the future.